Hello, my gardening friend. Today I am going to succession plant some cucumbers. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you why I'm going to do it this way. So cucumbers can be a challenge to grow for a very long period of time, especially in a hot and humid climate like where I live. So you can see this plant looks great, but it has a little bit of wilt starting on the bottom leaves, and this plant is probably not going to produce for that long. There are some things that you can do, but it's somewhat of a losing battle. So one thing that you can do is just succession plant, so you always have a nice young plant ready to go. So I'm gonna plant two different varieties here beside where I had these. Here's a Bayet Alpha pickling cucumber and a China Jade cucumber. And part of my reason for doing this video is because I want to know where I planted them so I can come back later and see what's what. So I did loosen the soil here a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and make a little groove here and break the soil up. So I'll just put like 2 or 3 seeds down here and probably thin it to the strongest 2. Okay, cover it over there. Okay, so this one was the Bayet Alpha, and over here, a little farther over here, I'm gonna go ahead and put the China Jade. Same thing, I'll just put a couple seeds in here and we'll thin them down. We should be getting some rain today, which is gonna do great for getting these things started. Make sure that you are subscribed and click that bell so you get notified and you'll get updated on these cucumbers next time I publish a video on them. And let me know in the comments what kind of cucumbers are your favorites.